Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Solution. This question was asked in GATE 2012 and in the question it is given that the given message signal MT is applied to both phase modulation and frequency modulation. Then for maximum phase deviation for both the phase modulation and frequency modulation, find the ratio of Kp by Kf. Solution. The phase modulator signal SPMT is given as AC cos 2 pi FCT plus Kp MT. Therefore, the maximum phase deviation of PM signal is given as delta phi of PM equal to Kp MT, and it is given that the maximum phase deviation of both PM and FM signal is same. So to find out the maximum phase deviation of this PM signal, we have to take the maximum of this MT signal, that is this. From message signal, the maximum of MT is given as 2. Therefore, Kp into 2, that is twice of Kp. And the frequency modulation signal SFMT is given as AC cos 2 pi FCT plus 2 pi Kf integration MT dt. Then the maximum phase deviation of FM signal is given as, that is delta phi of FM is 2 pi Kf integration MT dt. Then to find out the maximum phase deviation of FM signal, we have to apply here the maximum of this integration MT. Then how to find the integration of this signal? The physical meaning of integration is its area. This is T, this is d by dt of MT, and this is 2, this is 4, this is 6, and this is 8. As this is a step signal, and we also know that the integration of step signal is given by ramp signal. Then how to find the ramp signal? The area of this in between 0 to 2 is 4, that is 2 into 2, that is 4. If you want to calculate the area in between 0 to 1, then its area is 2, and it is given as by ramp function, that is 2. And in between 0 to 2 it is 4, and it's also given as ramp signal, and it is extended to 4. The area between 0 to 5, this is 2 into 2, this is 4, and this is 2 into 1, that is 2, minus 2. Okay, this area should be subtracted from this. This is 4, this is minus 2, that is 2. Add 3. And the area in between 0 to 4, it is 4, and it is also 4. Then this area is subtracted from this, that is 4 minus 4, that is 0, and its slope is extended towards 0. And this is a repeated signal, so it is also repeated. The maximum of this MT is given as 4. Therefore, this is not d by dt, this is integration of MT. Sorry, this is integration of MT. Okay. Therefore, delta phi of Fm equal to 2 pi kf, and the maximum value of this integration of mt is 4, that is 4. And in the question it is given that for same maximum phase deviation, the value of this delta phi of fm and this delta phi of pm is same. It is given. Therefore, delta phi of fm is given as 2 pi kf into 4 equal to, and delta phi of pm is given as twice of kp. Therefore, kp by kf is given as 2 pi into 4 divided by 2. 2 is cancelled by 2. This is 4 pi. Answer. Okay, thank you. This question was asked in GATE 2014 and set 3. And in the given question, it is given that the given message signal ft equal to cos 2 pi fct plus beta 1 sin 2 pi f1t plus beta 2 sin 2 pi f2t, and find the maximum deviation of instantaneous frequency from the center frequency fc. We have to find the maximum deviation. Then, as we know that the SFMT is also given as AC cos theta it, where theta I equal to 2 pi fi t. Differentiate this equation, then we get fi equal to 1 upon 2 pi d theta I by dt. Okay, put this theta it in this equation, then we get fi equal to 1 upon 2 pi d by dt of 2 pi fct plus beta 1 sin 2 pi f1t plus beta 2 sin 2 pi f2t. Then differentiate this equation. 1 upon 2 pi d by dt of this 2 pi fct is given as 2 pi fc plus differentiation of this sign is cos, and it is given as beta 1 into 2 pi f1 cos 2 pi f1t plus differentiation of this beta 2 sin 2 pi f2t is given as beta 2 into 2 pi into f2 into cos 2 pi f2t. Multiply this 1 by 2 pi inside the bracket, then we get fc plus this 2 pi and this 2 pi is cancelled out, and we get beta 1 f1 cos 2 pi f1t plus beta 2 f2 cos 2 pi f2t. Okay, and we have to find out the frequency deviation from the carrier frequency. Then the maximum frequency deviation is given by this, that is delta f equal to, we are asked to find out the maximum frequency deviation. As you know that the maximum value of cos theta is 1, therefore the maximum of this frequency deviation is given as beta 1 f1, and cos 2 pi f1t is given as 1 plus beta 2 f2. This is answer. Thank you.